So as you can see, Humphrey is having a sunflower, a proper real sunflower that you pick. It's been washed and everything, and they just love eating the sunflower. It's all edible, it's all safe. I do not give my parrots any sunflower seeds or anything. This is just a treat, and sunflowers can be used as a treat, so I thought I'd go natural like they'd having if they found one in the wild. So I picked some sunflowers and I have given my birds the actual whole sunflower, and they love it. But I don't do this all the time, it is just as a treat. So enjoy the rest of the video of my guys having some sunflowers.
Our friendship will never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny. You got,
and I'll write your name. Boys only want love if it's torture. Don't say I didn't warn ya. Boys only want love if it's torture. Don't say I didn't warn ya. So it's gonna be forever, or it's gonna go down in flames. You can tell me when it's over, if the high was worth the pain. Gotta roll it.
I think Albert likes the sunflowers, and I think Barney likes the sunflowers. Albert's going for the middle. Yummy. Oh, so there's Barney now. That nice, Barney. Well, I officially can say I don't think there's going to be any sunflowers left with these two. I think they like their sunflowers. Lola, I think you should get in there quick.